Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. So as you know that we have completed our English literature and grammar work, so now we are revising our both English literature and grammar. Today we will revise a topic from our English literature, which is The Lady with the Lamp. You know that it is a very famous person, Florence Nightingale story. Okay, as you can see in the picture, she is the lady with the lamp and she is in a hospital. Okay, it's English literature lecture and textbook read now, and I am your English teacher Anam. So today we will solve junior English literature chapter The Lady with the Lamp's back exercise. So let's start. Open your books. It is on page number 76 of read now. So we will solve. Can you tell what am I called? I type letters. Stenographer, someone refers it to secretary, clerk, and there are many other words used for the person who types letter. I cut boys hair. I what am I called? Barber. I draw and paint pictures. I am an artist. I make men's suit. I am a tailor. I mend burst pipes. I am a plumber. Who sells the following? Breads and cakes, it's a baker. Lamb and beef, it's a butcher. Sugar and flour, grocer. Fish, fishmonger. Apples and bananas, costermonger. A nurse uses scissor and bandages. Who uses the following? Safety lamp and picks. The miners, anvil and hammer. Blacksmith, weight and scales. Mathematician, plow and tractor. Farmer, saw and plane. Carpenter. Cap was a sheepdog who worked for his master. Which of these animals have been tamed to work for man? Tiger? No, obviously camel. I am ticking over here and I already ticked here the animals: camel, horse, ox, donkey, elephant. Obviously, you know that. The shepherd looked after his flock on the hills. Name two people who work in these places. Name two people who work in these places in the open air: hawker and laborer; in factories, workers and technicians; in shops, cashier and shopkeeper; in ships, captain, sailor, crew member; in railway station, station master and porter. Now move to the next question. Question number 6 says Cap's foreleg was badly bruised. What do we call these parts of the body? The part joining the head and the body, obviously it's called neck. The middle joint of the leg is called knee. The middle joint of the arm is called elbow. The joints between the hand and the fingers is called knuckle. The long bone down the middle of the backbone and spinal cord, both are correct. Nightingale is also a name of a bird. Give two other names of the birds which are used as names of the people. You know that, robin and dove. Give two names of animals which are used as names for people. Tiger and fox, both are correct. We also use many others name of animals. So you can write any names you know about the bird or the animals. So this was our topic for today. If you have any kind of question, you know how to contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.